Anikulapo, Rise of the Scepter, a spin-off of Anikulapo, the movie, premiered in Lagos, Nigeria over the weekend. Sunday, 25th February to be precise, at the Balmoral Convention Center in Ikeja. Directed by the brilliant Mr. Afolayan, I can bet that this series is a must-watch. Can't wait to binge watch once it hits Netflix on March 1st. Hey y'all, Chantel here per usual, your fashion bestie and the curator of this channel. If you like what you see, please do well to subscribe, not forgetting to turn on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get the notification. Alrighty? Okay, let's go. Thank you so much. The dress theme was African royalty. In my opinion, that theme was so easy to decipher. But don't take my word for it. Let's see how your fave showed up. And we're either going to roast or praise their looks, using the theme as a yardstick, of course. Before we get into the roast, let me just quickly define the theme and make sure all of us are on the same page. African, obviously someone from any of the 54 countries located or situated in Africa. Royalty, on the other hand, means someone of royal blood or noble status. Measuring both definitions, I would say guests were required to show up looking lavish and luxurious in outfits of African descent, outfit that portrays African, luxurious, over the top, noble status, royal outfit. Let me know in the comment section if you have a different understanding of the theme. Hopefully we're on the same page. And with that being said, let's get into the roast proper. I'm just looking at the pictures here, looking at my notes. Let's go. Kicking off the roast segment with Damilola Ogunsi. He showed up in this navy locks abada from Jeff Auburn clothing, complete with a royal blue elaborate embroidery in front of the abada and a matching filler. Minimal accessorizing with a long coral necklace, matching bangle, sunglasses, and chain strap wristwatch. To sum up the look were these glitter loafers, in sync with the African royalty theme for sure. I should add, one look at him and you can tell that that was the look he was going for. And for that, I'm going to rate him an 8 out of 10. Aunty Ramota, or is it Aunty Ramota? I apologize if I'm mispronouncing it. Yeah, she showed up looking like the babe that she is in this colorful below the knee Asooke shift dress, styled with the matching fabric as gele. I really like the embroidery on the neckline. To complete the look is this orange structured handheld bag and off-white ballet flats with very cute bow detailing. Not lavish enough to be termed African royalty, but we can all agree that there's an African representation. Plus, she looks good, she looks smart. For that, she gets a 5.5 out of 10. Adedimeji Lateef, a cast member in the movie, donned this creative outfit from Rahmahs, a mix of plain and pattern fabrics, mustard jumper with cowrie detailed pocket and Asooke tassels on both sides. Straight cut metallic yarn Asooke pants with cowries around the hem, matching filler, customized monogram velvet slipper, or would I call this a loafers? I would say this is more of a slipper for footwear. Lots of bangles, silver and gold ring, a gold dial, leather wristwatch, and gold necklace with matching pendants. Again, the royalty part of the theme was nowhere to be found on this look. I see the African side though, especially with the cowries, but it's lacking that lavish look, it's lacking the luxurious look. I'm neither wowed nor disappointed with this look. I think a 6.5 out of 10 is a fair rating for this. The first person on my list is cast member Aisha. She brought monochrome to the Anikulapo premiere in this Yinka Bell's Fashion Hub royal blue off-shoulder Asooke straight cut dress, complete with a detachable Adire cape, blue string beads for necklace, pearl earrings, blue beaded purse for handbag, vintage traditional updo by Peck's Hairsmith, complete with coral beads and a mini hostel, aka Irukere. The fit of the dress is nice. Styling is a bit too simple if you ask me. The blue necklace and mismatched earrings could have been replaced with something more chunky and something more elaborate. since the outfit has a low neckline, preferably something in coral. Overall, not an off-putting look, and it portrays most of the elements of the theme. So for that, she gets a 7.5 out of 10. From me. Eyiyemi Afolayan, also a cast member and the daughter of Mr. Kunle Afolayan, showed up in a Fulani traditional outfit, or is this the Bayi traditional attire? They are really similar, so I can't really tell. Outfit was made by STL Stitches. Straight cut floor length dress with appliques on the waist and neckline. Outfit also features this satin detachable cape with spiral sleeves in navy blue. I would like to say spirals pleated sleeves, colorful beaded choker with matching earrings and headband, red and black beads that depict royalty. Hair by Anisha styled her hair in a different variant of the 2024 voguish, trendy, whatever you call it, hairstyle. And I think it framed her face really well. Henna by Adon by Nana and makeup by O'Hare's Torch elevated the look even more. Looked like a princess. She's in sync with the look, with the theme rather. One of my favorite looks on the Anikulapo Rise of the Spectre red carpet. She gets an 8 out of 10 from me. One of my ultimate movie faves, Shola Sobowale wearing Iconola, is next on my list. Her classic black and white outfit represents the traditional Mbako, yeah, that's what they are called, attire, popularly worn by the Xhosa women in South Africa. She has on a modern, or rather a metal version of the Isikanga ethnic necklace, which works well with the outfit, but I would rather she had gone with something more ethnic, basically. Makeup by Beauty by Biola is fresh and cute. Hair choice frames her face beautifully. The satin fabric drapes nicely. Fit is nice as well. It exudes the theme, but with a modern and an understated translation, I would say. Imagine if she complemented this look with a matching Isicholo hat. That's big hat. You can see it on the screen right now. This would have easily been a 9, but mm, not a bad look. I will rate her a 6.5 out of 10. Or should we give her a 7? A 6.5 is actually fair. Phyna wearing an Oleku mini is next. Styled by cute Tosin in this blue striped Asooke from House of Asooke. Asooke, rather. Dramatic headgear style by Abido's Gele was an awesome choice. Two-tier cream and gold chunky beads set from Luidio looks fantastic as well. Nice denim wedges, but too casual for the outfits. Way too casual. Just a few tweaks here and there, and this outfit would have been a showstopper. I'm going to rate her a 6.5 out of 10. Bimbo Ademoye came through in Medlin Couture collection, styled by Medlin Boss in this purple and neon green mixed straight high neck dress with a lineup of details such as chantilly lace, stoned elaborate floating sleeves, corset, appliques, zigzag cut peplum, and crisscross back to further snatch her airflow. Because at this point, I think that people don't like to breathe again. Those helicopter sleeves need to be abolished at this point. I'm done. It is doing absolutely nothing for the look. Why Medlin Boss thought it was okay to use it and cover the gorgeous chantilly lace texture will forever be a mystery to me. Loads of beads to further amplify the bridal look, I think they were going for. I like the Arewa headgear style. I like the bedazzled hem veil. Subtle makeup by Mary J. Black is flawless. Fit on Bimbo looks amazing, even though her comfort was sacrificed on the corset altar. All elements of the theme were present in her outfit. She looks like the king's last daughter that's getting married. That's the look, that's the vibe this look is giving me. For that, I'm going to rate her an 8 out of 10. She was actually on theme. Yeah. Stylist and talent manager Tosin showed up in this fuchsia pink organza bubu from Douz and Grace collection, complete with matching embroidery and Arewa style head tie. Accessorizing was kept somewhat minimal with black footwear, silver earrings, and a couple of rings. Peach-based lippy and smoked out eyes look by makeup by Doomsy complemented her skin tone. The pink shade of the fabric did same as well. It's giving rich auntie. African, in terms of the theme, is clear. The regal side of royalty, not so much. I'm going to rate Tosin a 6 out of 10 for this. The third person in this segment of Fashion Rose is Juliana, wearing a House of Asooke brown and gold asymmetric neckline dress with mismatched sleeves, one in the form of a corsage and the other one a simple flared out long sleeve. Over the top, Do You Know Who I Am Gele by Abidus Gele, paired with a matching ipele. Cut out border on the gele and ipele gave the overall look a nice touch. Lux beads by Luigi further elevated the outfit. Things were kept simple in the footwear department with black barely there sandals. Makeup by Doomsy did her thing on the face, super stunning. The Irukere married everything together and birthed this modest and elegant Olori look that embodies the same African royalty 1000%. For this, she gets an 8.5 out of 10. Uzee Usman in this damask or brocade, or is it jacquard? To be honest, I can't tell, but it's an abada with floral details on the outer part and striped metallic elements. Matching filler tilted to the side, chocolate brown embroidery on the neckline of the abada, three-layered brown beaded necklace, matching bangles, couple of rings, a silver strap watch, gold frame sunglasses, and navy velvet loafers with gold stones. He looks dapper, he looks like an African prince. I really like the look, and for that, Uzee gets an 8.5 out of 10 from me. Jay on Air showed up to the Anikulapo Rise of the Spectre premiere in this Sylvester Ose creation. Silk jacket set with one of the African Big Five, aka the elephant printed on it in pink. It's giving Coming to America, it's giving Zamunda Prince, and most importantly, I like the fact that it tells a story. Vintage looking buttons on both sides of the jacket and on the cap makes a great statement. White button-up shirt for balance, bold pendant attached to a beaded necklace with matching earring for more presence, gold leaf brooch, which in my view wasn't needed. Black chunky footwear completed the look. It looks good. Fit is a little bit off, especially with the jacket. Sleeves are overly long. For details and being on theme, Jay gets a 7.5 out of 10 from me. The last person in this episode of Fashion Rose is Biola Bayo. She came through dripping in gold in this latex, mid-length, asymmetric neckline ruche dress that perfectly highlights her curves. The dress and her hair choice are kind of reminiscent of Princess Imani's outfit in Coming to America. That was the first thing that came to mind when I saw it. I'm guessing that was the inspiration her stylist Kayo Africa used. Gold as a color is often associated with royalty. I would say due to its prestigious and luxurious connotations. However, I think this look is more of an unorthodox approach. Zero African elements. All I see is a beautiful woman rocking an evening look effortlessly. In terms of rating, I'm going to keep her in the middle, 5 out of 10. I think that's what this look deserves. What do you all think? Deserved or not? Let me know in the comment section. That concludes the rose section. Moving over to the best and worst dress categories. Best dress male. It was a tie between Damilola Ogunsi and Uzee Usman for me, but I'm definitely going to go with Uzee Usman because the details on his outfit not what we're used to. Yet it syncs so well with the theme. He represented the African royalty theme effortlessly, and he's definitely my best dressed male on the Anikulapo Rise of the Scepter red carpet premiere red carpet. Best dressed female, definitely going with Juliana. Her outfit gave everything it was supposed to give and even more. It was extremely gorgeous. It was lavish, just as you would expect an African royalty to look. But that she is best dressed female. On the red carpet, I can't remember what the color of the carpet was for. I'm just used to calling event carpets. We all used to calling event carpets red because it's the norm, I mean. Mm. I couldn't come up with worst dress outfit because, to be honest, nobody looked so bad to fall under that category, in my opinion. But if you don't feel that way, feel free to leave yours in the comment section. Don't forget to leave reasons as to why you picked that person as your worst dress. Okay? If you agree with my best dress category, let me know in the comment section as well. If you don't, leave yours in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, if you're not yet a member of the Chantel Nation family. And until I come your way again, don't forget to stay. Bye. Mwah. Thank you for watching.